Okay, so if we adjust our challenge, let's say we'll say it's 10,000 instead of 35,000. We maximum loss 1,000, a profit target of 1,000. Maximum net loss is going to be 500. 14 days. So we already finished the week with one trade. That was the problem. So we are going to say that we did finish a week. Okay, so we are going to count it as if we're starting from here. It's 1 and 2. So what are we going? So if we did it as if we lost a week because of that 444, and today is Tuesday, then we're gonna continue today with 2 in the actually it's gonna be Wednesday night, not Tuesday, but okay. So we're going, yeah. So this one actually is going to be Wednesday, New York session tomorrow. Oh, zeros because it's going to be London session on a Wednesday. So here and then Thursday it's going to be another 2. You know, in that case, we are going to say that we lost a week. We starting this new week on a Tuesday, on a Wednesday, yeah, with a Wednesday, because we started on a Wednesday. So we had here 1, okay, on a Wednesday right here. So here we can write down here something. Okay, so this is the day we started on a Tuesday. Wait. -1, 0. Okay. So we consider that we lost here. Okay, so this is minus. Okay, so and we start from Wednesday of this week. Okay. We started today. So we're going to say that this is how much days left. Okay. And with that calculation, we risk allocation 929. So daily, we should now look for 142.86. That's it. Okay, 140. Okay, so if we put 57% as our, well, here between 61 and 57, so 61% or 57%. Let's do it 57%. So I have